Welcome to Miss Jocelyn's vlog! So, for now, we'll go to changing room. Yeah, okay. I will show you the changing room. So, yeah, we have some lockers here. So, in the locker, we'll provide you some bathrobe, disposable bra, underwear, and then some slippers.
Okay.
So, for that, madam, you just need to put your pin. Yeah, you will just open it first. Yes. So in the locker, you'll be having your own bathrobe, disposable bra, underwear, and then some slippers.
Okay.
So if you want to put your things inside, you can put some lock as well. Your own pin.
Pin. Okay.
Okay. So for example, if you want to lock it, you will just press star. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hashtag. It will be automatically locked.
Okay.
Yeah?
And then to open,
just do the same.
Okay.
Alright, sure. So now we can go to the spa facilities. So here as well, we have the private changing room.
Okay.
And then on this side, we have the private shower room. And then we have 2 washroom here.
Okay.
Up. So let's go. After you.
Ayan.
Let's go for spa facilities.
Hindi, dapat ikaw.
Okay. So we're going to the normal lounge. Careful.
Okay.
Okay. As you can see, we have the hydro pool here. It's just like a bigger jacuzzi. So if you need more pressure from the water, you can just press the buttons on that side. Yeah. And then we have the steam room.
Steam room.
Yes. The shower experience.
Okay.
And then we have the sauna.
Okay.
This one is the ice machine. So for example, when you're done using the steam sauna and jacuzzi, if you want, you can just grab some ice and then tap it to your face or neck or your full body.
Okay.
Yes. So if you need more extra towels, we have here water as well, and then I will show you the relaxation area.
Okay.
So on this side, we have 4 beds, 4 for you to choose which one you like for. Yes.
Okay.
So while waiting for the therapist, you can wait here. So we are serving some detoxifying water and then some dry foods.
Okay.
After your treatment po, mag-request na lang po kayo sa therapist if you want to have some tea because we have some options for the tea also.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Ayan guys, naka-base na tayo. So, gagamitin muna natin yung mga facilities nila. Pakita ko sa inyo kung pwede, ha? So, integration kami ng jacuzzi. Ayan. Dito tayo. Steam. At yung kanilang sauna. Ayan. So, gamit muna tayo ng jacuzzi, guys. So, balikan kayo later.
So we have an option of the oil. Just need to give your hand.
Okay.
Just tester. This is de-stress. Energizing. And muscle is which one you like. You can smell and you can just let us know.
Which one you recommend?
You have pain in your body, or you want to de-stress, or you want to energize.
Energize.
Okay. But it's very good if you take muscle tension release. If you have pain in your body, if you're traveling.
We will do that muscle tension.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, this is one. Okay.
So I will give you space. You just need to take out the bathrobe.
Okay.
Light visa and blanket.
Hi guys! Ayan, tapos na tayo sa ating massage. Grabe, ang sarap, nakaka-relax talaga. So, andito tayo ngayon sa relaxation lounge nila. So, papahinga lang tayo dito saglit and then may mga sinerve silang tea at saka dried fruits and water. Grabe, nakaka-relax talaga guys. So, I recommend kung gusto niyo mag-relax pag nandito kayo sa Dubai, punta lang kayo dito sa Sarai Spa, dito sa Marriott Hotel, 2nd floor, dito sa Sarai Spa. Ang ganda guys, ang sarap, ang nakaka-relax ka talaga. For a long week of working, deserve mo magpa-relax ng ganito. Ito pala yung kanilang relaxing area. So, after mo magpa-massage, dito ka pupunta para mag-relax ka saglit. Habang silang in-offer na tea. Ayan. And meron din tayong ditong dried fruits. Ayan. So, meron silang tea. Ayan. Ayan guys, so after nito, inaantay ko lang si Ana, papunta na siya rito at magdi-dinner kami dito rin sa Marriott Hotel. I-present mo lang siya. We're having dinner! Sad siya.
Hindi ka lang nag-enjoy eh. Matalag ka na ko rin sa birthday mo.
Oo nga. Kasunod.
Oh yeah, because I saw it here. They say you're doing it. Oh, it's fine.
Tomato is a foundation of
Go. Yeah.
single shade.
Hindi ko nakakakain.
This is the octopus.
Yes.
Boy na boy.
Carpaccio di mangi.
Ah, here.
Yan yung raw.
Yeah, this is the
Can you leave it over here?
wagyu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, enjoy.
Thank you.
Para talaga dapat nag-cook na lang. This is the Italian way.
Wasabi and the bread. Ganun rin naman. Hindi ko pa nakakalimutan. So, try natin yung ano para ito?
Beef wagyu.
Beef wagyu. Salad. Salad para salad. Mahirap bigkasin guys, kaya review na lang. Okay. Natin.
Oh, well.
Okay lang yan.
Ako yung mayaman lang kumakain ito. Diba? Ito ba kaya? Diba? Lagyan ng bread. Hindi kaya ng powers ko.
Masarap pa.
What cook? Octopus is good. Really, I'm not eating octopus. But it's okay. Yeah, that is all. Masarap naman siya, pero nakakain na naman. Dahil nalalasahan ako tikman mo. Hindi siya fry, parang siyang grinil ng octopus, guys. Parang siyang grinil na may tomato sauce. Ano sabi mo? Parang grinil niya siya.
Ito na ang aming main course.
Si Pepe.
Si Pepe.
Si Manong Pepe.
Ano? Sarap yung pork belly. Ano yung may crispy?
Balat.
Anong pangalan nito?
Pepe. Natin bigyan mo ako yung lang. Oo, wait lang.
Ito yung pinagandang kitchen lang.
Choco wallet. Super cheesy. Itong pasta. Malasa.
So what's the full pasta and
This one is good.
and this one?
It's good one. But I'm thinking, I thought this one is like the normal spaghetti pasta. Anyway, siya, okay.
So especially like the chef is from Sardinia and it's very famous in Sardinia. Like Sardinia is one of the beautiful islands in Italy. So this dish is from there.
Oh.
And then cacio e pepe is from Roman sauce. So basically two region in one plate. This is the chef created
Very
like
good.
the innovation
Sarap siya.
creation.
Chef yata siya. Chef daw ba siya?
Yung chef nila. Hindi nga na-hour siya.
Tapos tinawag. Hindi ni ko chef. Chantal.
Saan ba siya?
Ang harap yung bagbag.
Mga ano? Masarap nga. Cheese and low ba?
Para siyang binahal sa lumpia. Walang rice to. Dahil. We're Italian.
Sarap. Sarap pa na.
Kaptan. Ayan, ASMR.
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 SNR. Sulitin natin yung juice. Naghahalo-halo, orange pineapple na.
Ito na lang sa akin. Ricotta cheesecake. Warm ricotta cake, honey, gelato, and crumble. Yan lang sa akin. Ikaw, gelato. Mag-ano ka?
Patingin na.
Mag-gelato ka.
Marunong ka pa sa akin.
Ako, ricotta cheesecake.
Gusto ko rin ng... Yala. Di man lang sa akin sinabi ni ate kung paano kakainin.
Turo mo, sige na, ilalagay mo.
May ano to eh.
Ayan, ano yung order mo? Dolce de leche.
Dulce de leche.
Ayan po ang in-order niya, Dolce de leche.
Di ba pwede i-ganon din dito?
Yes, with ice cream. Ano to? Ice cream ba o ano? Cone?
Sprinkles.
Ha? Cone ba yan?
Cone.
Pero yung sa akin naman,
Pero yung cone nilagyan ko rin.
ricotta cheesecake. Ayan, let's eat. Cheesecake. Ang sarap.
Sarap nga. At parang nagganyan na lang din ako. Ice cream lang to eh. Sabi pala, try tayo pa tayo ng ibang place. May ice cream naman pala. Ate, pwede bang pa-change or?
Sarap na. Best order natin to.
Masarap na.
Sarap siya. Mm. Ito.
Hindi, ice cream lang. Ba't pala, ice cream lang din naman pala. Nagtaganyan lang din ako. Di ba, hindi mo sinabi? Maharap.
At ka. Sinapalitan. Sarap niya. Ang lambot. Yan, sarap. Bukas magkano lang ako tuna sandwich. Sabi pa naman nung nagpa-check up ako ng wellness. So, over na yung ano ko, yung DM.
Overweight ka na? Oo, obviously.
Oo. Sabi niya mag-reduce ako ng 5 kg.
Mas magagawa yan. Hindi mo sa akin.